What's up, guys? So today is April the 13th. So I got this finish chrome color white Veritas Plurky Eloquence shelf drawer with toilet roll holder, and I believe I bought this one for $208. So what they look like is I'm thinking about putting over here. I can kind of put some whatever that I can put it on inside of the shelf. Let me show you how I might set it up, this one. So I'm thinking about putting making about just hang over here, just line up with the existing toilet holder. So what it is does, you can put a cell phone here, or you can put something inside of it, like a storage thing. Let's do this one. I'm gonna want you guys keep watching until this thing is gonna be done. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.